Alright, I have a quick video here for Ed. Ed was asking on my channel, the GoPro Hero10 Black, where do you change the wind settings for wind noise reduction? And this is very easy when you're in the video recording mode. So if you swipe left and right, you go time lapse or here video, right? So when you're in video, there's this button down there that shows you what you're recording, right? If I click on this, there's like a bunch of settings. So let's say we are recording in the cinematic. You click this little edit button, and then in there you go down to the section of Pro Tune. In that section, in the lower left corner, there is the wind, and they have like 3 possibilities. You can either do wind reduction off, on, always on, or automatic. I do not have good experience with automatic, so I basically always record with wind reduction on. Never had a problem with that. And that's how you change it. You can go with the exit button back to your regular screen, and your wind noise reduction is on. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching my videos.